the role of financial advisors and how to choose one. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing an important topic: the role of financial advisors and how to choose the right one for your needs. Let's jump right in. Many people wonder why they need a financial advisor. Well, a financial advisor is a professional who can help you navigate the complex world of personal finance, make informed decisions, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for your children's education, or looking to invest wisely, a financial advisor can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. So, what exactly does a financial advisor do? Let's delve into their roles and responsibilities. Firstly, a financial advisor assesses your current financial situation, including your income, assets, and liabilities. They then help you set realistic and achievable financial goals. They provide personalized advice and create a comprehensive financial plan that encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, insurance, and more. Additionally, a good financial advisor will monitor your progress regularly, recommend adjustments as needed, and keep you informed about changes in the financial landscape that may impact your plan. Now that you understand the importance of a financial advisor, let's talk about how to choose the right one for you. Tip number 1. Evaluate their credentials and expertise. Look for financial advisors who hold recognized certifications, such as Certified Financial Planner, CFP, or Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. These credentials indicate a higher level of knowledge and professionalism. Consider their experience and track record. Find out how long they've been in the industry and if they have experience working with clients in situations similar to yours. Tip number 3. Understand their fee structure. Some financial advisors charge a percentage of your assets, while others may have a fixed fee or work on an hourly basis. Make sure you're comfortable with their fee structure and understand how they are compensated. Tip number 4. Seek recommendations and read reviews. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or trusted professionals who have worked with financial advisors. Also, check online reviews and ratings to get an idea of other clients' experiences. Tip number 5. Schedule a consultation. Finally, meet with potential financial advisors for an initial consultation. Use this opportunity to ask questions, discuss your goals, and evaluate if their communication style and approach align with your needs. Remember, choosing a financial advisor is a personal decision, so take your time and find someone who truly understands your financial aspirations and has your best interests at heart. That wraps up our discussion on the role of financial advisors and how to choose the right one. A good financial advisor can make a significant positive impact on your financial journey. So, do your research, ask the right questions, and find a trusted professional who can help you achieve financial success. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more valuable content.